Hi, this is the Wahlberg family here. We're about to answer the challenge. I was nominated by Mickey Ward, by The Rock, and by Nicola Peltz for the ALS challenge. So we're going to do the bucket challenge. Oh wait, I can't do it with my Jordans on. So hold these Spizikes. I'm going to nominate Spike Lee, Eminem, and Manny Pacquiao.
I'm Rhea Wahlberg, and I'm nominating Amber Emmett, Victoria Cofield, and Alana Sands.
I'm Michael Wahlberg, and I'm nominating Neymar.
The soccer player?
Yeah. And Jay-Z and Mr. Krabs.
The owner of the Patriots?
Yep. I'm Ella Wahlberg, and I'm nominating Bethany Moda, Shailene Woodley, and Madison Wahlberg.
Brendan, who are you nominating?
This is Brendan Wahlberg. He's nominating Big A,
Kate Upton?
Cowboy, and Ricky Martinez.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Ready? Set, go! Whoa.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Ready? Set, go! Whoa.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Ready? Set, go! Whoa.